This is the final getting together of the OK Dinghy. So they're all working on it, the Dalzell men. One of them is working very hard there, and you notice how good he is. And then of course there's the one who has got in charge of the rudder. Very important job that. That one?
No, that's just a ridge. There's a crack
And that one.
case.
There's Storm on the boat.
I don't think you're a sea cat. You don't like water, do you?
You don't know.
Storm always explores. She's been on the boat before. She's been in the little locker. I've seen her come out of it. And there she is right now. Or she was.
Why are you...
Rodney with the mast. And here comes the boat. Boys with the boat. There's the boys in the picture. There they are, the sons. Sailor on the left. Whoopsie. Stuart. I don't think that looked very happy. Sounds good though, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going down to see what happens next. Here goes the sail up. The OK Dinghy sign on it. KZ 444, so that sort of suggests it's been an important sail at some stage, but it's not the original. David got this sail on Trade Me, having ruined the other one when the boat got pushed along the shore and landed under the Bahita Kava tree.
So you've got no cunning in it.
Here come Finn and Matthew coming down to see the boat go out.
Yep.
And here comes Cammy, also getting ready for a swim.
No.
The launching. Boat's off the trailer, not very far away from the rocks, mind you.
Have you got a life jacket?
No.
I thought you would have come down with one. You find me A thinking them and B knowing where they were. I'll go that one. God, what your father does for you.
We'll pause here for a minute. And here comes Katie and Rodney in a hurry with a life jacket. And Jossie and Annalise and a bottle.
Hello.
Right, I think something's going to happen soon. And Cammy helping there and Matthew supervising and Rodney too. And then, of course, there's Katie and Finn. He's in. Good, David's let him go. And it's all on. Down with the rudder. And although it must be at least 20 years since he has done any sailing, looks like he's not going to tip out just yet.
Hard to bend over.
Yes, it is. That's right. I wonder if we can zoom in a bit.
filling up the afternoon.
Here he goes. Looking pretty good.
We actually got the boat finished.
There's my little girlfriend.
What happened, Caitlin?
He's arrived, and so has Stuart. And it's Katie's turn on the swing. Can she get up? Oh, I think she needs a bit of help.
I'm supposed to be watching the launch and not way out there.
That's right. And there is Finn, who's got a rock, Jenny, Cammy and Stuart. Now there's Stuart. Coming back out of the water though. But now what's he going to do? Probably swim out to the raft from the other side of the rocks.
Hello everybody.
Here are the spectators. Rodney, David, Jocelyn, Annalise, Hilary and John, who's just arrived. Hilary's taking pictures too, as you can see.
And here goes the other member of the family. Helen's got herself in place. And so we find that we have an Uncle John, a Hilary, a Jossie, whoops, David, and a Helen. And there's Finn, Matthew, Tammy, Jenny, and away up there, not that far, is a Stuart swimming. Whoops. Damn hard to hold steady. Trouble is not sailing along the bottom line.
He's coming in nicely. But look what the current's doing for him. What if he's got the centerboard down?
Oh, I imagine so. We spent a lot of time trying to free it, so.
Is the OK Dinghy bigger than the laser? Look, Katie, here comes Stuart coming in. Oh, what a good brother he is. Oh, come on, Mickey.
Oh, he's gone out again.
Stuart's been out for perhaps 3/4 of an hour.
He used to do
He's
that
finally coming in, I think. He's been around close, made us think he was coming in twice and gone out again. And I'm not sure what's happening at the moment.
Blow then. That's it.
As you can see, the boom's very low.
Fishing.
Whoops, he's gone again. Speedy Gonzales, eh?
Quite a wind shadow just here from the point.
Oh, the wind's sort of coming to northerly, so
Here he comes round again. Trying to come in, I think. I'm not sure which child that is. Jenny, perhaps, I think.
Jimmy, I think.
That Stuart is the other one that you can see there now. So goodness knows what's happening quite. But he's got pirates.
I'd kick them overboard if I was you. I'd kick them overboard. They're like barnacles.
3 pirates.
Better still shoot them.
So it has to be Matthew and Stuart and Jenny.
No, Jenny's over on the...
Matthew and...
Jenny.
Hemi.
Yeah. Oops, I'm actually not watching very well, am I? Stuart's been practicing going round buoys. So there he goes again. Now John is here and he's going to tell us if he hits this buoy this time.
He isn't going
He's not doing it now, just because I was taking a picture. We think he's coming in this time. David, he's coming in. John heard him say. No? Yes. Yes. There's Cammy, just passing. He is coming in.
Right.
Throw yourself out, says David. So, this we'll watch. That's to get the second leg out. Oh, he did it too. Well done, Stuart.
Congratulations, Stuart. You've learned, kept something at school. It's like riding a bicycle, once you learn it.
Good.
So you finished, are you? Right, I guess I probably should be. Nah, I'm nice and dry at the moment. If you take the water out. I didn't. Oh, you look for the scummy marks on the boat then.
I've heard that before about not hitting the buoy.
In reality, I was very close, but I didn't.
Well, John would say differently.
I certainly thought this. I'll admit that I slightly missed the current, but I did miss the
DL power.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
It's the 29th of March and Jenny's just got in the ski biscuit. So there's Jenny, there's Stuart, and the rest of the people are on the boat. So here it goes. Wrong person.
Mom, it's a boy! The boy!
Class. You got a rubber foot down there?
Mom, I think I know how it got that long for this. Because it fell out and it was like this.
They're going really fast. It's hard to keep her in. There she goes.
Look, it's Jelly!
Can't keep it going.
Jelly! Oh, Jenny!
Oh, she's doing well.
Baby Junior is still alive after that big crash. Granddad, look. you pulled a puppy when it felt
You're a long way up now. She'll be having the ride of her life. Here she comes.
Oh, that is just holding on, really.
Yes, but still some kids probably would be scared of being on a big water. Couldn't swim, so. Suppose no camera got to go in.
Who is that?
Oh,
Nothing.
well, Tinny's opted out and she's now swimming.
It's your turn.
Yeah.